shouldn't be here.
Okay, whose butt do I need to kick today? Oh, Magneto.
Hello, Logan. You know each other?
Actually, you know, Cap, I, shouldn't even be here.
Who's the wimp now, huh? I don't think the 3 mightiest Avengers, Hulk, 3 of the 4 mightiest Avengers,
What about me?
and a kid will have any trouble taking down an old man. Avengers! Why are you doing that? I'm not doing it. He seems to have control over metal. Huh? Stop it. Don't you... I suppose you're going to crush my entire metal-encased body. No, that wouldn't be funny. I'm just going to crush a very, very small part of it. Huh? Oh no. Make him stop! Make him stop!
Make him stop! He can't do anything to me. I can still take him down.
Yeah, kid. About that new suit.
Metal in it?
I'm afraid so.
Oh, poo. Oh, no, please no, I don't like it. Oh no, not again. I just had this mask cleaned after last time.
And you guys are absolutely certain I have to hold these up? Guys? Guys? Oh, I feel such a fool.